This real-life blizzard footage was filmed in eastern Iowa by storm chaser Bryce Link. An intense Arctic cold front swept across the region on the afternoon of the 26th of January 2014, bringing powerful northwest winds that instantly whipped up the fresh, fluffy snow cover. This sudden combination of high winds and falling snow triggered severe ground blizzards and localized squalls. The National Weather Service station in La Crosse verified destructive wind gusts tracking up to 62 miles per hour, with the highest local spike recorded at the Charles City Airport in Floyd County. These severe conditions caused a sudden collapse in travel visibility. Whiteouts dropped visibility down to a quarter mile or less instantly. Continuous blowing snow created massive drifts measuring 8 to 10 feet high. Frigid air behind the front caused temperatures to plummet, sending wind chills down to minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Like and subscribe to the Wacky Weird World channel for more content like this.